Be flexible with a closing date. I oftentimes will call the listing agent of the property that my buyer wants to make an offer on, and I want to understand what the seller's plans are for moving. What's important to them as far as a closing date. I also want to know if they need to sell to buy, which means that seller may very well be ready to accept an offer, but they need a buyer to be flexible with that closing date for that seller to be able to purchase as well. Or maybe they have an extenuating circumstance that they need to close early. So that's really important to understand when we're presenting you your offer, that you have flexibility with that close date. And if you don't, that's okay. But to understand forward what could possibly help us get our offer accepted and needing to show our flexibility with close is most certainly going to help us get our offer accepted.